If you're a big fan of Bessey's KBody REVO clamps, there are some subtle but important updates coming out in the new model. Let's take a look. We're back at AWFS 2017 with Tasso Statopoulos in the Bessey booth to take a look at some important updates to some of Bessey's most popular clamps. Tasso, show us.
Hi, Chris.
Show us what we need to know.
Welcome. Thanks for joining us. We're very excited to come to the show this year. Again, not with a lot of product, just to give a small reflection, obviously, of what we're about, but to bring some focus to one of our key items that we've done so well with, and some subtle changes, taking an already great product, making it that much better.
Great.
The KBody REVO, which was the second generation of the KBody after the original ones that came out, really took the parallel clamping industry to the next level. And we've achieved some wonderful success with it. It is by far the leading parallel clamp out there. 1,500 pounds of clamping force, guaranteed 90-degree angled on the face, accessories, replaceable parts, a completely reversible head to make it into a spreader. But over the years, we've seen some things that we could have done better. And we've listened to the end user, we've listened to our consumers out there, and also our partners like yourself, just from trying and testing certain things, and we've made some subtle improvements. So, taking this, we've gone to the next step, and we've created the next generation KBody, which we are calling the KBody REVO Revolution.
Okay.
So, some subtle changes that we've made to this. It's made an already great product better. Things that haven't changed, it's the same rail stock. You're still going to be guaranteed 90 degrees on those jaws at all time. It is completely reversible. You have accessories like rail protection pieces. Your pads can be pulled off and cleaned. All of that stays the same. However, what we've done in the head itself, first of all, if you see, actually I'll go back to the original here. We had an issue. If somebody has the clamp open, Matt, I hope you can see that. If it is open itself, you let it go,
yep,
that head's gonna slam down. If you don't have your protection pieces there, fingers can get caught, all of these wonderful things, and some choice words could be used. That being said, we've created a new mechanism within the head. You can see already, I have it standing up. There's no movement.
Yep.
So this is not going to be going anywhere. And what we've done, the changes are in the head. In the mechanism itself, we've first and foremost put a new friction-resistant cup within the actual socket where the spindle joins into the mechanism to significantly reduce the friction being applied to the actual mechanism itself. That, as well as improving the construction of the casting on the inside to a more solid construction instead of the old bridge construction, we are now able to add another 200 pounds of clamp force to the KBody. Furthermore, using our dual component handle, we've also now added a insert for a hex key or a light impact tool.
Sure.
And that could be used for speed, for also applying, because there are, you know, some of our users, they cannot get the proper grip on the product to achieve what they need to, so they need a little bit of help. Having a lever will help them accordingly, or a light impact tool.
So if you have grip strength issues, aging hands,
absolutely,
there's a way to make clamping easier.
And you know, taking it to that next level and having this in itself, that is a big feature, and that is a direct result of hearing feedback from our users out there.
Sure.
We're very excited about this. We anticipate a release date of early 2018, probably January, February, and we're excited. This will also set the benchmark for down the road for the entire KBody REVO family of products with our REVO Junior as well as our Uniclamp.
Great. So subtle changes that you might not see, obviously looking at the clamp, but that make functional improvements in how we use them every day.
Absolutely.
Boy, that's great.